Good morning, Sarah. Thank you. Parts of Queensland and New South Wales were last week hit with bushfires. Now parts of the east coast, would you believe, are being blanketed with snow as a cold front sees temperatures plummet. Kimberly Pratt from 10 News First joins us now from the freezing Blue Mountains west of Sydney. Kimberly, good morning. How cold is it there?
Oh, morning, Tash. It's pretty chilly. The numbers say it's 1 degree, but it feels like -3, and I can certainly tell you I can't feel my feet anymore. But the residents here in Blackheath were amazed to wake this morning to find their town blanketed in snow, and that all comes from a strong cold change that came up the east coast overnight, which saw temperatures drop upwards of 16 degrees. And that system is also bringing with it heavy rainfall, the heaviest we'll see in 3 months. It's actually been dubbed the rain bomb because areas in Sydney, especially the North Shore, will cop about 50 millimetres of rain today, and then further north in Newcastle it could be double that. So if you are heading out today, make sure you pack an umbrella. On top of that, down the Illawarra and South Coast, they're predicting strong winds upwards of 50 kilometres an hour there. So there is a hazardous surf warning for those boaters and rock fishermen who were planning to go out today. Please don't. But sadly, these colder, wetter conditions aren't tipped to reach the areas that need it the most. Rain is unlikely to touch the drought-affected inland New South Wales or further north where fires continue to burn. So we're certainly seeing a mixed weather bag across the state today. But lucky for the kids here in the Blue Mountains, it was absolutely magic. What did you think this morning when you woke up and it was just white outside?
I thought, yes, snow, snowball fights, snowboarding, no school, hopefully.
I was really happy because I wanted to have a snowball fight with some other kids, but nobody else turned up. I love building a snowman.
And lucky for them, Tash, this weather is tipped to stick around until the weekend. Amazing.
Kimberly, stay warm. Thank you. Winter has returned to many parts of New South Wales and the ACT today as a cold front sees temperatures plummet along with torrential rain and plenty of snow. Kimberly Pratt from 10 News First filed this report from Blackheath in the Blue Mountains west of Sydney a short time ago.
Well, it's 1 degree here in Blackheath where residents woke to find their town blanketed in snow, and that is all from a strong cold front that moved its way up the east coast overnight and saw temperatures drop upwards of 16 degrees. Now that system is also bringing with it heavy rainfall. In fact, it's the heaviest we'll see in 3 months. It's been dubbed the rain bomb because areas of Sydney, especially the North Shore, will see about 50 millimetres of rainfall today, and further north in Newcastle could see double that. So if you're heading out today, make sure you pack an umbrella. On top of that, further south in the Illawarra and South Coast, there are strong winds predicted upwards of 50 kilometres an hour. So a hazardous surf warning has been issued by the Bureau. So those rock fishermen and boaters that were planning on heading out today, please don't. But sadly, these cooler, wetter conditions aren't tipped to reach those areas that need it the most. The rain is unlikely to reach drought-affected inland New South Wales or further north where fires continue to burn. So we really are seeing a mixed weather bag today across the state. But lucky for the kids here in the Blue Mountains, it's been magic. What did you think this morning when you woke up and it was just white outside?
I thought, yes, snow, snowball fights, snowboarding, no school, hopefully.
I was really happy because I wanted to have a snowball fight with some other kids, but nobody else turned up. I love building a snowman.
Yes, and lucky for them, this weather is tipped to stick around until the weekend.